Hey guys, I got a great video today for you. We're going to be doing the DC figures. I mentioned those in the last video, so stay tuned. Check it out. Welcome back, guys. Today we got some figures that we're going to look at. We're going to look at some DC figures. I mentioned them when I did the Marvel Legends figures in the last video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. First things first, the first figure we're going to get into is going to be one of my favorite characters. It's the Joker, but not just any Joker. It is the Heath Ledger Joker from The Dark Knight. I'm still debating on whether I will open this. I haven't decided, but I think it'll look cool out of the box. But yeah, we're gonna see how we're gonna do on that one. Let's see. Let's grab this box here, and we'll pop it open. And just see what we got in it. Packing slip. Don't need it. Paper. Come out of there, big boy. Awesome. Another Joker. Batman Who Laughs. Man, that's so cool. These will probably come out of the box. There is something loose in the box. I have to figure out what that is. Oh! It's the stand. Okay. Now we got that figured out. That is one thing I am liking about the DC figures. They do come with stands. The Marvel figures do not, unless you get the Marvel Select. And then they got a stand to go on. Another thing I've also noticed too is DC has to just squeak by Marvel just a little bit because all their figures have been 7-inch, where Marvel Legends is 6-inch. So they're playing the inch game, I guess. Oh, we got one more box here. We're gonna open it up. This will be, I know what it is, but let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I need to sharpen my knife, it looks like. Oh, yeah. Set this off to the side. These are the new releases from Todd McFarlane. And it's from the animated series. I believe that's what it's from. But there's the Joker. Awesome. I guess I could show the artwork on the back. I like how it's got the teeth in there too. Like from the video game. Oh, it is Arkham Asylum. Okay. Alright, there we go. Now we know. And the next one is, of course, the Batman. Which is cool with all those little gadgets. Here you go, I'll give you some artwork on the back. Looks like we got the Superman and the Wonder Woman and a couple others too. I might collect them all. I don't know. But Batman and Joker's really my favorites. Which one was your favorite? Hello. Hello. I've had people complain about the volume on the videos, but I've got a correction for that coming in. Hopefully Tuesday it'll be here. But if you like what you've seen, if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you like the content. If you really like the content, go on down, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video or I go live. Which we've got some lives coming up here in the near future. But to everybody, be safe. I know the country's starting to open back up again, but be leery of just going out nonchalant, because we don't want this to explode again like it did before. So if you're going to go out, take precautions. Keep social distancing. Wear your mask and stay safe. We'll see you in the next video. I'm Boondock Pop, and we'll catch you later.